Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to create eye-catching infographics for your WordPress content. Before we dive in, let's talk about what infographics are and why they're awesome. Imagine taking complex information and transforming it into a visually stunning, easy to digest package. That's the magic of infographics. They grab attention, explain concepts clearly, and boost engagement like crazy. They help to simplify the complex data, improve user engagement, boost information retention, and make it easier for others to share. Now we'll explore two options to create your infographics, Canva and the amazing Chartify plugin for WordPress. Let's start with Canva. In your web browser, go to canva.com. Click on Create a Design on top right corner, then select Whiteboard. On the left sidebar, navigate to Apps and search for Charts and open it. There are lots of infographic templates to choose from. Pick one that fits and matches your website. Now, replace the sample text and data with your own. You can either enter your data manually or connect it to the Google Sheets, and also upload the data as a CSV file. Pro tip: keep it concise and visually balanced. People shouldn't feel overwhelmed by information. Once you're happy, download your infographic by right-clicking and downloading the selection as a PNG file. Now, head over to your WordPress post, click on the plus icon and select Image. Upload your downloaded infographic file. After the upload, on the right side you can see the alternative text option. This is the written copy that appears in place of an image on a web page if the image fails to load on a user's screen. This text helps screen reading tools to describe images to visually impaired readers, and allows search engines to better crawl and rank your website. In this case, I will use suitable alternative text explaining the graph. After finishing with the alternative text, position your image strategically within your content and hit Publish. An easier way is to use the Chartify plugin to get a visually stunning infographic. Install and activate the Chartify plugin on your WordPress site by navigating to Plugins and clicking Add New. In the search bar, type Chartify and hit Enter. Then, install and activate the plugin. After completing the installation process, you can see the Chart Builder plugin in the sidebar. Navigate to the plugin and hit Add New. Choose the type of chart you want to create. Bar charts, line charts, pie charts, options are endless. Enter your data directly into the plugin. After entering your data, hit Preview to update your chart. You can also import it from Google Spreadsheets or use your own database query if you want your chart to be dynamic. That is, your chart is automatically updated every time the data source is changed. Adjust the general settings of your chart, such as the status, title, description, and etc. How can you make your chart update every time without the need to refresh the whole page? Just enable the Live Chart option in the settings. You can also customize the chart's appearance in the Styles menu. Play with colors, fonts, labels, and more to make it match your website style. After getting done with your chart, hit Save. Above, you can see the generated shortcode. Click on it to copy. Head over to your WordPress post, hit the plus icon, and search for shortcode, and paste it directly into the shortcode. Hit Publish, and there it is, your interactive chart is live. Now we know how to create an infographic with both Canva and the Chartify plugin. However, if we want to have an interactive chart where users can have more detailed information, Chartify includes the option for making your infographic interactive. Remember, the key to great infographics is clarity, creativity, and visual appeal. So experiment, have fun, use these tools to turn your complex data into shareable, engaging content that impresses your audience. And that's it, folks. I hope this video helped with creating your preferred infographic. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and make sure to also hit the notification icon not to miss any tools and tips for your WordPress post. Good luck!